Hi everyone, this is Dave from Kronos Cash and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 137 of daily video uploads. It's crazy to think about how long it's been. But today we have some more packs of Mega Brave. So we have the Reboot, Bulbasaur, Makuhita, we have a Holo Dialga, and a Bell, obviously. We have a Fearow, a Thievul, a Seedot, and the Executor Full Art. Why does he look high? I don't like it. Then we have Volcanion, Sandslash, a Gimmighoul. Then we have Nuzleaf, and whatever that is. And then a Crawdon. With that, as always, thanks for watching. Have a good day.